My journey from 0 to 1K.
Oi everybody, Juliana here. Juliana here. Welcome back to the kitchen. Welcome to Bake Cook Travel. To Bake Cook Travel. Vamos, let's go.
The best recipes.
Donuts, brioche, fried chicken, fresh homemade pizza.
The best techniques. Fun recipes. Amazing food adventures.
I'll show you everything. Vamos, let's go.
Exploring all seasons.
Let's go to the beach. Come check out what we saw and of course what we ate. We went in the fall and the colors of the trees were just incredible.
Amazing series.
A new series of episodes, classic French recipes. On Bake Cook Travel, I will be bringing the best and the most popular Brazilian recipes for you to make and try in your kitchen. The Make It at Home series is about to make your favorite items that you would buy from a store and showing you how to make them from scratch at home. And soon you will see my belly showing more and more here in the kitchen. Today I'll be sharing with you my eating routine in a day while pregnant.
The best bites. Lots of learning along the way.
And how they say, okay, in French. And okay, one more time. Okay, let's bake. Como son. It's good. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. See you in the next video. Ciao. Ciao. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to drop a like here. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe here. On Bake Cook Travel, we always bring the best food adventures and food recipes. If you'd like to see more food recipes, click here, and for more food adventures, click here. See you in the next video.